Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer, living in Fairport, New York. Today, I will be talking about why do I do this affiliate marketing thing. After watching, if you find value in this video, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Well, many of you wonder what my reasons are, and I'll start with the first three. I am semi-retired and I want to supplement my retirement income. Social Security alone just does not pay the bills. Next, there is a benefit to help others such as yourself to get access to your own freedom to have the lifestyle that you want and you deserve. Finally, be part of a worldwide community to help you get from struggling for direction to reaching and achieving goals. I have friendships, focus, and so much more now. With that said, thank you for watching. Why do I do this affiliate marketing thing? May your day be full of much love and many blessings. I hope you found value in today's video. If so, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to let me know your thoughts. Good day.